I love YouTube because I learned something about pollinating flowers. Some of the flowers, wow, look at the size of these things. We got to pick all these today. They're totally mature. We got to start a new crop here. Is that when the bees come to the flowers, let me just find a flower here. When the bees come to the flowers and they buzz around and they pollinate. Now sometimes some plants, I guess, there's male and female, and the bees will actually transfer pollen from one flower to another flower and that germinates it. And sometimes it's just the motion of the bees buzzing around and getting inside there. So I was watching this one guy's video, and he uses electric toothbrush to simulate the bee on his tomatoes. And I tried that. Even though I did not have electric toothbrush, I have this, which is a electric razor. And when you turn it on, see it vibrating like that? You see? So it vibrates like the wings of a bee. So you just put them on the flower like that, and it vibrates, and it worked on the tomato plants. I mean, this is a serrano pepper, and I'm not sure if this is going to work, but I'm going to just do that. You just, do it for about 15 or 20 seconds. And let's go over here to these tomatoes here. Just do around the flowers there. Focus. Where's it at? I can't see. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. And it seems to work really good because I did it on the other tomato plants, and I'll show you how it turned out. First, I'm going to check to see if there's any more flowering vegetables around. These tomatoes came up on accident, just from our compost pile. Here we got some some fall cucumbers, serranos. These are our cayenne peppers, which are looking pretty good, just in a pot. I think I'm going to grow a lot of stuff just in pots next year. Here's another cayenne pepper. Oh, here we go. Here's another tomato. Let's try this again. Turn it on, vibrate. Get out of the leaf. And just do that for about 20 seconds or so on each of the flowers. It simulates like a bee. This one might be ready yet. I got it, babe. So I'm going to show you down the tomatoes that I use this on. What's my son doing? My son's down there weed whacking. Here. So like on this one, there was 3 flowers, and I used that trick on there. All 3 of the fruits germinated. Just about all the ones, like here, 4. All of them was 100% germination. I did it every time I saw a flower, and sometimes you'll only have like that one there, 3 out of 4. So it would work. The success rate would go really high. I'd say 90% just by doing that. Now I'm sure the bugs and the bees do it on their own, but the tomato flower is such a small flower. They'd probably come over here for these squash flowers and zucchini flowers and stuff, these big flowers, and they bypass the smaller flowers. But I learned it from another guy on YouTube called the M.I. Gardener. He's a Michigan gardener, and he used a toothbrush. I used the razor, but success. Nice tucked in there. And then here, massage. You put your...
Which one?
I don't know, so you're supposed to put your arms in there or no? Just push one and see what happens. Which do you push the back thing?
Yeah, I just only push the on and then it's moving. It's like that. Menu.
And then what's that? Oh, I gotta put my glasses on.
I guess we should put the menu.
Is there anything else going on?
No more. It's only.
Let's push it again then. What are you doing with the chicken?
Oh.
You're warming yourself on the chicken?
Yeah.
Wow.
Napkin for sanitary napkin.
This is behind the scenes of Yna's vlog. I knew. See, we call napkins napkins. What when you get to a restaurant, when you have dinner, you get some napkins. Well, in the Philippines, napkins are...
Or sanitary napkin.
Yeah, they're like tampon or whatever. So when I said, give me a napkin, she goes, what do you call, well, no, what would you call this in the Philippines?
Tissue.
Tissue. We call tissue what we wipe our nose with. Napkins what we wipe our face with. So she thought that was so funny she had to make a video for her channel, for her Philippine friends. Yeah, it's mango nectar.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, organic. But it's not from the mangoes that you like. It's from Alfonso mango.
But same the juice that we bought in Meyer. What's that? The naked?
That was pineapple and mango.
Naked. Pineapple, mango, banana.
Ooh.
So this one is only mango.
Just mango, so you can add it to... I'm going to add it to my fizzy water.
Alright.
It'd make like a mango pop. And then you can drink it straight or add it to stuff. Okay. Or you can marinate...
marinate pork chop.
Pork chops. You know, she loves free samples. They got black bean burgers. Is that what they are? It is the black bean burger. It's not ready yet.
Black bean and chipotle. Not ready yet, though. A couple minutes.
Okay, we'll come swing back around because I'm going to try those.
So
that's like the beginning of the Impossible Burger. They used to make the black bean burgers. That's how they...
So this is the one?
This is not an Impossible Burger. Yeah, that's it right there. It's definitely not an Impossible Burger. But that's how the Impossible Burgers got started. They used to make
definitely not Beyond Burger.
bean burgers, yeah. Meat. So we stopped buying meat. Only buy meat now from our local butchers, and that's so nice to have that butcher so close.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
So let me see what you got there, babe. Pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice.
And you can mix it with your mango juice
Mango
and make
juice.
pineapple mango juice. Okay, free samples. We're coming up on free samples. What could it be? Could it be something awful? Could it be something delicious? We'll find out when we get there. Dueling, one on each side. Two, it's a double whammy. You got one on this side, and you got one on this side. So this side you've got a veggie bowl. Go ahead and try it, because you like veggies.
Ice cream? Or the very back is hot.
Thank you. It's fresh. Hello. Just waiting for you.
This is a vegan product.
Vegetables.
Tastes like black beans.
Tastes like black beans. And then this one's not ready right now. Bratwurst. Babe,
Tastes like black beans.
if I bought you one of these outfits, would you wear it? You're about this size, right?
Just for kids, you know.
I know, but I think you look really cute. Let me see. You need a Halloween costume.
I can
It might be a little small.
Oh, but this is for kids.
You can put the hat on.
I will wear it, babe. If you want me to wear, I will wear it.
Well, you're so small, maybe you could fit. Who's going to pass up free coffee?
Excuse me.
Sorry.
Hi, how are you?
Don't like it? What's wrong?
I like this coffee, but no sugar. No flavor.
Ooh, that's good.
Yeah.